Do you feel extra tired after your big year-end home cleaning? The house is spotless, but you feel heavy and drained. You want a fresh start for the new year, but your body feels stuck. We focus so much on cleaning our outside space, but what about the inside? Our body needs cleaning too. The ancient Chinese medical book, The Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, has a wise idea about this. It says, when evil qi is abundant, there is excess. When vital qi is taken away, there is deficiency. Let's make this simple. Think of your body as a house. Your vital qi or zheng qi is like the house's heating system, electricity, and security. It keeps you warm, safe, and full of energy. Evil qi or xie qi is like burglars, dampness, cold wind, or the clutter and trash that piles up inside. The book says, when evil qi is abundant, there is excess. This means if too much bad stuff from outside or too much internal clutter piles up, your body goes into excess mode. Your house is too full. You might feel bloated, irritable, get headaches, or have trouble digesting. Then it says, when vital qi is taken away, there is deficiency. Your vital qi is your body's battery. If you don't sleep enough, have too much stress, or eat poorly, you use up this battery. The power in your house runs low. You feel deficient, very tired, cold, weak, and you get sick easily. At year-end, many of us are both excess and deficient. We have too much stress and busyness from outside, excess, and we are also exhausted inside from no rest deficiency. Cleaning only the house doesn't fix the tiredness inside us. So, how can we do a real New Year cleaning for our body? First, practice emptying. Before bed, take 5 minutes. Just breathe. Breathe in slowly. Imagine breathing in calm, clean air. Breathe out slowly. Imagine breathing out all the stress and worry from the day. This is clearing your inner evil qi. Second, practice refilling. Be kind to your digestion. Try to avoid late night snacks or too much greasy food. This reduces excess. Drink warm water or simple soup like chicken broth. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. This is the best way to recharge your vital qi battery. This helps deficiency. Third, practice acceptance. Don't make huge, stressful New Year's resolutions. Be kind to yourself. Thank your body for working hard all year. A peaceful mind is your strongest vital qi. The ancient text teaches us, when vital qi is strong inside, evil cannot disturb. When your inner energy is full and flowing, outside problems affect you less. What would you like to clean up from your life this year? Is it work, stress, or a bad habit? Let me know in the comments. For over 40 years, I work in tech and management. I've seen many people, including my younger self, push their bodies too hard for external goals. The wisdom of ancient medicine isn't about curing big diseases. It's about learning to listen to your body's soft signals every day, to gently clear what weighs it down and slowly refill its energy. Life is already fast. With your body, you can go slow and be gentle. I'm Fanny. See you next time.